Hi everybody. What we got today is I think one of my last CRE-8900s we'll probably see through here. This is for Mike in Ohio, and it's a tune-up report. Now Mike will run the watt meter. I've got the power on the radio turned all the way down, and on this meter I've got 10 watts across the top scale. Seeing about 2 watts all the way down. And if I bring the power up, then we go to the next scale, and then we got 10, 20, 30 at the bottom. So we're looking at about 12 and a half watts there. Peak power is 100 watts low. You got 40 there, 60 there, 50 is that little line in the middle.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, and on its sideband. Upper sideband 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hey, Breaker 19 for radio check. Yeah. How's this radio sound out there, Camille?
You sound good. You're doing all right, driver. Don't worry about it.
What the hell is that?